Hello everyone, Arkham Assassin here, and I went to Walmart yesterday, and I found the greatest thing in the world. Rocket Raccoon plushie. They're made by Funco. I'll show you the exterior box. I just took it out of the box to save some time. They're made by Funco. So let's take him out of the box and see what he looks like. Of course, there's a little wire, isn't there? Alright, hold on. I'm struggling with a little piece of the box. And there you have it. Rocket Raccoon. He should be able to stand up on his own. I'm gonna get this off after. Comes with a gun, bushy tail. He's pretty cool. I hope he can stand on his own. I'm gonna test it right now. He can. Alright. Well, that was just a little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.